This video will guide you to do a registration for your fingerprint, PIN code, and card key. Okay, so with your door open, at the back of your door lock, push up the back battery cover. Beneath the battery compartment, there's actually a register button 1 and register button 2. So register button 2, click once. At your front panel, press number 3 for fingerprint registration. Gently place your finger at the reader 4 times, which is equivalent for 1 set. Once done, click on register button 2 once. Now we lock the door and use our fingerprint to unlock. So for PIN code change or new entry, click back register button 1 once. At the front panel, key in your new desired PIN code, followed by asterisk. Minimum will be 4 digit, maximum at 12. Once done, click register button 1 once. So now we try with our new PIN code entered. Okay. For card key registration, press on the register button 2 once. At the front of the number pad, press number 1. Gently place your card at the reader. Once done, click on back register button 2 once. Now we will use our RFID to unlock.